Ah! I seem to have fallen here on the ground. What tripped me up? I should look around. Well, looky here, what I have found. There's a magic boot sitting here on the ground. There's some sort of writing here on the side. Rub the boot, make a wish, and take a wild ride. Rub-a-dub-dub, rub-a-dub-dub. What will it bring? I'll know soon enough. Why, hello there. How do you do? Whoa! Oh, I didn't mean to startle you. I am your cowboy godmother, here to grant you wishes like no other. Not 1 or 2 or 3, but 4. How could you ever ask for more? Now, hold on there, godmother. Shouldn't that be 3? 4 is not right. This just can't be. Oh, my son, I know what the confusion is. But everything's bigger right here in Texas. So what do you say? What is it that you desire? To make you rich or handsome? A diamond, ruby, or sapphire? As you can see, I'm just a humble man with just a simple wish to grant me if you can. I sure could use some brand new bootsies to cover up my big cold tootsies. Your wish is my command. Don't move from where you stand. Wait, what are these? Are these boots or 2 boats? I'm not walking across the ocean. I don't need to stay afloat. Yes, they are slightly too big, I think. Maybe, just maybe, they will eventually shrink. But they do leave more room for each and every toe. Okay, fine. I will make them go. How about something simple, like a brand new cowboy hat? Do you think, oh godmother, you can possibly handle that? Your wish is my command. Don't move from where you stand. I told you not to move, that it would mess up my spell. Now stay still, stop moving, so this will turn out well. How can it be that they're all too large? If I wish for a horse, will you give me a barge? A horse, of course. That would be an easy task. I will try much smaller. You will see at last. What's that? A baby's toy? I'm a cow man, not a cowboy. Oh wait, I am a cowboy. You just can't seem to get it right at all. It's either way too big or it's way too small. I know what I'm gonna do. I wish for a horse the same size as you. Wait, no. Oh dear, what have you done? I'm not a horse. This is all wrong. Now that's more like it. That's what I say. Let's go, dear horsey, and get you some hay. No, I'm a cowboy godmother, not the horse, you see. Oh, but look at my beautiful mane. Ooh, and tail. Look at me. You know, this could be fun. Let's go and be free and run, run, run. You were right, grandmother. You really did not jest. 3 wishes are good, but 4 wishes are best.